Want to become a host on Booking.com and list your property? Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open the Booking.com app on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your account settings. Now, scroll down and look for the option that says List Your Property. Tap it. This will open a new page. Tap again on List Your Property on Booking.com. You'll be redirected to a browser page, join.booking.com. Here, tap Get Started to begin the registration process. Now log in with your Booking.com account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once you're signed in, you'll be guided through the steps to add your property. Choose the type of property, home, apartment, hotel, etc. Enter the address, amenities, and pricing. Upload photos and descriptions. After completing all the steps, Booking.com will review your submission and notify you when your listing goes live. And that's how you register as a host on Booking.com and start welcoming guests. Follow for more travel and tech tutorials, and let me know if you'd like a guide on how to optimize your listing next.